Namaste, welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I'm Dr. Renita D'Souza. Today we will learn about Balaswagandhadi Thailam, a muscle bulk enhancing Ayurvedic oil used for external application. It is used in the treatment of headache, fever, emaciation, muscle wasting, weakness, loss of muscle mass, lack of strength in joints, muscles and bones. It is used in Vata diseases like arthritis, brachial plexus injury, lumbar and cervical spondylitis, neuralgia, paralysis, insanity, etc. It strengthens muscle and improves quality of blood. It is also good in bursitis, shoulder dislocation pain, post-viral fever when the patient complains of body, muscle and joint pain. This oil is also known as Ashwagandha Balaswagandhadi Thailam. Apart from external application, this oil is also used for enema treatment, that is Anuvasana Basti, to improve nerve strength in the treatment of paralysis and related neurological disorders. It balances Vata and Pitta dosha. Coming to the ingredients of Balaswagandhadi Thaila, it contains Bala. It is one of the best nervine tonic and used to relieve joint pain and stiffness. Then Ashwagandha, it improves physical strength and immunity. Laksha, it improves strength of bones. Sesame oil, Mastu, Rasna, it is a good pain relieving herb. Then red sandalwood, Manjishta, Durva, licorice, Chauraka, Sariva, Ushira, Jalada, Kushta, Agaru, Suradruma, turmeric, Kumuda, Kaunti, Shatavaha and Padmakeshara. Its reference is taken from Sahasra Yoga, Thaila Yoga Prakarana. It is manufactured by many Ayurvedic pharma companies such as Aryavaidyashala Kottakkal, AVP, Nagarjuna, etc. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.